Welcome everybody. Kluby, well, aka or Klubine, team or Klubine Outdoors. Yes, this one on this channel. Same, but just got. This is actually my first hunt, or first fishing trip. So, and today's Monday morning. We are fucking froze out. Tomorrow is supposed to be back in the 60s. Over the weekend, it was in the 60s. I didn't have my camera until this morning. So, actually, well, Monday. I guess this is Tuesday morning. It rained all day, Monday. We had a 100% chance of rain. Yeah, of course. I got my camera Monday. Could have been fishing then, but so it fucking held. It's like 32 degrees this morning right now. So we're gonna try to do a little channel catfishing. So we're just dicking around public land, just trying to. I was checking. They're letting some water out, so it's already started. So hopefully it's not a sign to come with rain. So all right, I want to try my luck and so this is my first time using this thing, so my GoPro. So let's, all right, wish me luck here. See if we can't catch something. Come back and get I don't have nothing sick in the ground or nothing, no rod holders. I just have a bucket. But we're using chicken breast. So I soaked it, I cut it up, and I did soak it in some garlic powder, so I didn't put nothing else, no jello or nothing on it. I didn't have none. So we're just threw some garlic on it. So see if that'll work. Might be a bitch. This only spot. It's gonna be a muddy mess. Didn't grab my rubber boots. Alright. Hopefully, my first time using this thing, so I gotta get chest one. I only had the hat one. It'll be better. Alright. I think normally a lot of times these channel cat, well, like right now, this is the only thing any water's going through it. So there might be some actual channels or something up here. See if we can't get a hold of something. Just trying to had that on. Guess well. You know what? Try something here, but I think we can. Alright. I apologize if I keep touching the camera, trying to make sure it's first time using it, so gotta get in my chest piece. I forgot I ordered that actually this morning, so that, or off of Amazon, so that'll be couple days they'll be here, so then I'll have the chest one. It'll be, the head one will work. I was just gotta figure it out, trying it out, so I apologize. So, alright, let's see if we can't get anything. And also, I have hot dogs too chopped up. So if they don't hit this, we'll throw in some hot dogs. But I did the same thing. I soaked them in garlic powder. So, alright. Oh, look, we're getting a bite. I seen the line move. So, not sure if it's just coincidence or fish swim in it, but I seen the line move. I don't know if you all seen that. So, and I don't have no. Let me know about the audio. I have not bought no microphone to plug into it yet. So I'm just running off of it. So I was going to try it, see how bad it was. If it was okay, I was just waiting. Or get some other stuff. But if not, then if it's too bad, then I'll just go ahead and, or next month or something, order or get me a mic and throw on it. So we might not have had a bite, but I know I seen the line move. Actually, it looked like it was or something was hitting it. Alright. Next spot or next, we'll probably throw on or hot dog on there. See if hot dog will hit or work. Because we had a pretty good. I should have cut that up more. I didn't realize I had that big of a chunk on that piece. The rest of the pieces shouldn't be that big. I should have cut it up, or at least cut it in half. That was an awfully big piece. For this hook, the size of a hook I had on there might have be a fuckus. If channels, Alright. I also got bring my bowfishing bow just in case we see something. While I come over here, but where I come, some public land where they're draining some water off. But yeah, we'll give it 5-10 minutes. If we don't get nothing, I'm gonna move to the next spot. See if we can't find another spot, but there's a lake not too far. All right, we're back. Okay, try to fish right here, but now we couldn't. There was no other places, and it was way too muddy to walk down the bank on places, so we couldn't even really try. So better need a new fucking catfish rod and reel. Thing's like 50,000 years old, 15-20 years old, I think that thing is. I need to buy a new one. It's fucking about had it. Alright. Usually, see that chair broke. So thing. Alright, usually what we do with those type of chairs, ones I busted, or the ass busted out of, I use them for places where I can't put rod holders. Stick them in the ground. This is all, well, rock and boulders and shit, so you can't put them in their stakes in the ground, so I just do, or cheat. So alright, making sure I had to, just trying to make sure my camera was angled right. Boy, it's awfully, it might not be snagged. Thought maybe it was, might have been snagged. I might have needed to cast it further. We'll try like 5-10 minutes. If we don't get nothing, we'll try one more spot. I didn't even think of it. Let's try. Let's see if it, while we're fucking around. Might be a redneck if you fish at, go fishing in a car. What have we done? What have we done? Clusterfuck on that fucking bass rod, but alright. 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 The chances of catching any kind of crappie is insanely slim. You don't understand. I guarantee you that fucking water temperature is so badly right now. Fucked. Now tomorrow it's supposed to start warming back up, I think in the 65 and then 67 for the next day. It was my first time, that was my first cast with this cheap little crappie rod. I don't know what the fuck happened to my, or a good one. That I have. So I had to buy this Walmart special. Not that much. But so motherfucker feels funny reeling. That's my, or good one. Fucking, I'm gonna put this up. There ain't no way we'll catch anything. It's just, we'll try it tomorrow though. Not here, but another lake. We'll probably do mostly crappie fishing. Right now we're getting my ass handed to me. Well, fuck. Guess we'll go over and try that other spot. We can try. Well, I'll try over. Let's try to go over to the boat dock. Try casting around it, off it, fuck around, see if we can't catch something. And if we can't get nothing there, then we'll probably have to call it a day. Or they're just not going to bite, or just not gotten lucky to find any. You'd think they'd still bite, even with all that fucking cold rain and all that water. So even though it dropped the temperatures, the hell, you'd think they'd still be somewhere be biting. Right. And then I don't think we're supposed to have. Hey, you fucking bitch. What I was afraid of. Kind of hard to get one when snagged up. I was wondering if that wasn't the case. But fuck. Well, fuck. I'll tie it back up over there, I guess. So, that sucks. Alright, I'll see you on the other side. And then try over there, and if we don't get nothing, then probably call it a day, and then try to do crappie fishing tomorrow. We just had some ducks fly over. Little flock of ducks. Right. We had a 4 ounce sinker on there. I haven't been to bed either, so I'm slurring. Alright. But now I just threw a 1 ounce sinker. And also had a swivel on there. This time I didn't. I just did it without. Because where we're going to cast, there's tons of brush up here. So I don't want it too long. And then there was a fucking. And then this, I don't know what the hell happened. There's another little flock of ducks. That are supposed to be, there's supposed to be a dock, or that dock. You're supposed to go out there to the wall. Not sure what's going on. A couple of years ago, this got all bent up, but they never replaced it. So, and then I just come down, and so I'd say something happened because I was over here in August of last year, and that was still damaged. They still didn't fix it, so must have had some high winds or something finished it off. So it's the reason it's like that until they get it fixed. So, but all right, there was like a otter on that log right there. I don't know if you can see it, but so sorry for touching the camera, but I'm making sure. Trying to. That usually always channel cat and stuff, you know, always up here around the bank, or well, also channel cat love going up to the bank and structure, but like all fish like structure. So we're just fucking around here, but we might just try cast right there, because the edge of it kind of like right there, and then it goes that way, because if we can use that pop the rod on. That sucked. See, like there's a stick right there sticking up. That's part of all that or brush that goes up through there. Alright. One sec. I'm gonna grab my drink. Go grab my water and then get to fishing. Sinkers, the fuck, they're probably 5-10 years old, but fucking didn't even think of that. Fuck it, dude. I'd check on my phone, but if I pulled out my phone where I'm at, there ain't no signal. It's like insanely, you know, we're too far from power, so I can't check the weather forecast to see what the temperature. I mean, it is fucking, look at my hands. Fucking, oh fuck, I haven't been out that long. I'd say we're done. I don't know if it's just a coincidence. I mean, I know for the crappie, because I mean, crappie, they're not going to bite that, too cold for them. I know them, but the channel cat should be. There should be some channel cats somewhere, you would think, even though could be not. They could just turn them off too. Had to be. I mean, they can turn off due to the weather, but I would have figured fucking, you know, we'd at least found one that would have, so we could have been, because from here on out, the videos will have to be, well, you know, definitely fish in them, some kind of fish, or something really cool watching, or like if I get something, tutorial, like when I get a new rod this year and reel this year, a heavy rod and reel, so do a little flathead fishing, well, probably blue cat fishing too, but or reel. I've got to buy me a new rod and reel for channel cat fishing. I need to retire this damn thing. I love it. It's medium. The action on it's medium light. I can run dip worms and stuff on here. This tip is soft. Eat better than a ultralight tip. It is so fucking sensitive. But come on, there. But that's just insanely so goddamn soft. Like even just a little one that can barely get the fucking hook or bite. Hell, he'll fold the fucking end of this fucking. It's a really great rod. That's why I still using it. I love it. Perfect for fucking, because it's so fucking light tip, or got, you know, got a medium backbone. So when you do or get a channel, it's the tip's like insanely great. Perfect for little bitty old fucking channel cat on the fucking dip worms and stuff. Hot car coming. So alright, getting off here. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'm fucking going to the house, work on this video. Please let me know if I need or like a microphone, and then next month I'll have the chest mount, so it'll be, so I'll actually have better, different angle from my chest, but and then if it needs a mic, just say, and then I'll order the mic next month too. So, but all right, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.